Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Chain. To start, your main goal is to form the longest possible chain with other players. Upon entering a game server, immediately seek out other players. Move your character close to another player and perform the interaction action, often a simple touch or a key press, to link up. This action adds you to their chain or starts a new one if you are the first two. Remember, every connection counts towards your team's overall length. Understanding how the chain works is crucial for success. As more players join your line, the chain grows longer, increasing your score. Each new player adds to the collective strength and length. It is vital to stay relatively close to your connected teammates. If players drift too far apart, the chain can break, causing you to lose valuable progress. Aim to keep your entire chain within a reasonable distance, perhaps within 50 studs of each other, to ensure stability. To truly excel, employ advanced strategies. Position yourself smartly to intercept unchained players, quickly integrating them into your growing line. Teamwork is paramount. Communicate with your fellow players to navigate the map effectively, avoiding environmental hazards or rival teams attempting to disrupt your chain. Prioritize maintaining a continuous, unbroken line. A longer, uninterrupted chain often yields a higher score multiplier, potentially increasing your points by 2 or 3 times compared to fragmented chains. To maximize your score, always be on the lookout for power-ups or special abilities that can boost your chain's length or offer temporary protection. Effective communication with your teammates is key. Use the in-game chat or voice features to coordinate movements, warn of dangers, and point out new players to connect with. Remember, consistent practice will sharpen your reaction time and strategic thinking, allowing you to make split-second decisions that can save or extend your chain by many players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.